This video will guide you through the process of replacing the intake air duct on a 2001 Ford Expedition. The intake air duct is located between the air filter box and the intake air manifold. Begin by removing the intake air duct. 1. Remove the bolts and remove the accelerator control splash shield. 2. Disconnect the intake air temperature (IAT) sensor electrical connector. 3. Disconnect the positive crankcase ventilation hose and the idle air control valve inlet tube. 4. Loosen the clamps and remove the air cleaner outlet tube and resonator. Finish by reinstalling the intake air duct. 1. Install the air cleaner outlet tube and resonator and tighten the clamps. 2. Connect the positive crankcase ventilation hose and the idle air control valve inlet tube. 3. Connect the intake air temperature (IAT) sensor electrical connector. 4. Install the accelerator control splash shield with the bolts to complete the installation process. This concludes the procedure for replacing the intake air duct on a 2001 Ford Expedition. Thank you for watching.